Huwag mong papanatilihin sa iyong kalooban ang galit, ang problema. Biyaan mo lang. Kasi ang Diyos na ating sinasampalatayanan, marami siyang pwedeng gawin para sa kabutihan natin. Lagi nyo lang isipin yung mabuti, makasunod sa Diyos. No? Yun lang ang dapat nyong gawin. Pero halimbawa, meron kayong ginawang kayo ng masama, kalimutan nyo agad yun. It will destroy our person. Pag may nananatiling hatred, envy, jealousy, pagka may nananatiling ganun, masama sa atin yun. Lalo na sa mga babae. Tandaan nyo, masama sa babae yun. Bababa ang immune system nyo. Magkakasakit kayo ng mga sakit na masasamang sakit. Kaya alisin nyo yung kung ano. Pakinggan mo ito, kapatid. Kaya ako sinasabi, eto yun. Pakibasa mo yan, kapatid na Lou.
The Effect of Anger by Tyler Woods. Medical and psychological research has shown that no matter how much you exercise or eat correctly, you are putting yourself at risk if you do not manage your anger. Anger causes a widespread negative effect on the body.
Naku, maraming mga negative effects yan sa katawan niyang anger. Ang kasama niyang mga sakit, pagka meron kang anger, hatred, envy, meron kang selos, inggit, masamang kalooban, kinikimkim na galit, pakinggan mo ito. Tuloy mo, Sis Luz, doon sa isang parte.
With chronic anger, people can also experience peptic ulcers, constipation, diarrhea, intestinal cramping, hiccups, chronic indigestion, heart attacks, strokes, kidney problems, obesity, and frequent colds. Medical experts have found the heart muscle is affected by anger, and anger can actually reduce the heart's ability to properly pump blood. The results of prolonged anger can harm the body's largest organ, the skin. People who hold in their anger often have skin diseases such as rashes, hives, warts, eczema, and acne. Researchers have studied the relationship of anger and skin disorders and discovered that when a person resolves his anger, skin disorders dramatically improve. One of the major effects anger has on the body